make a rainbow popsicle. Colors bright, oh so sweet. Grab your fruits, it's time to mix. A tasty treat that can't be beat. Red strawberries juicy and fine. Oranges, oh so divine. Yellow bananas so creamy and bright. Green kiwi, a colorful sight. Blue blueberries, tiny and round.
Hi guys! What are you making today?
Rainbow popsicle sticks.
Wow, that's exciting. And what are we using?
We're using scissors to cut this
The Zooper Doopers.
and sticks.
Here we go. Okay. What color should we start first?
Different.
Pink?
Yes.
Okay.
Very fast.
All right.
Pink.
Okay, we have pink.
Let's make a rainbow popsicle. Colors bright, oh so sweet. Grab your fruits, it's time to mix. A tasty treat that can't be beat. Red strawberries juicy and fine. Oranges, oh so divine. Yellow bananas so creamy and bright. Green kiwi, a colorful sight. Blue blueberries, tiny and round. Purple grapes, let's chop them down. Layer them up, one by one, making rainbow popsicles.
We are gonna put it in the freezer for 2 hours. While we're waiting for our popsicles, we're gonna eat pancakes for breakfast.
Nice. And how would you like your pancake, Anna?
I'll have Nutella and with some strawberries and bananas.
Nice. Okay, can you make it? What are you making, Nathan?
Strawberry.
Oh, nice.
Some strawberries
Nice.
and some bananas. That's a lot. Just take one.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking a banana milkshake.
Nice.
Mama,
Yes, Nathan.
no.
What did you? Nice. Yummy.
Strawberry. A banana.
Nice. Beautiful. How's your milkshake?
Nathan, how's your milkshake? Good.
Good.
Let's try our pancakes now. And the paper towel. Best. Say paper towel.
So it didn't take that much time. So it's like for 1 hour. And now it's ready to add another color.
Mama, no.
Blue or orange?
Orange. Orange.
Okay. So now we're gonna add orange.
Can
So
I put
we
it?
make rainbow colors.
Yep, because we're doing it in rainbow order.
Yes.
Fun, red strawberries juicy and fine. Oranges, oh so divine. Yellow bananas so creamy and bright. Green kiwi, a colorful sight. Blue blueberries, tiny and round. Purple grapes, let's chop them down. Layer them up, one by one.
So we have this is 3. They're still okay.
Yeah.
We have 1, 2, 3.
Green. But these
Green,
two,
we can put it
they're
later.
mixed up.
Yeah, but we have these 2 here. They did mixed up. But we have these 3 still successful. We're taking it back to the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, and then we're gonna come back, add the next color. What color should we add later?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Let's go back and put it in the freezer.
Let's go, guys.
See you later.
While I'm waiting for the popsicles, I'm doing some homework. Plus 2, 6. Let's do 12. It's time to take the icy poles. So this is ready now.
Okay, so until now, looks like we failed 3 of them.
Vanilla.
They have mixed colors, but we still have 2 more.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna add?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow? Correct. Okay, can you cut this for me, please? Okay, let's finger cross they don't mix again.
Making rainbow popsicles is so much fun. Blue berries, tiny and round. Purple grapes, let's chop them down. Layer them up one by one. Making rainbow popsicles is so much fun. Red strawberries, juicy and fine. Orange is oh so divine. Yellow bananas, so creamy and bright. Green kiwi, a colorful sight.
So now we take it back to freezer about 1 to 2 hours. Later on, we're gonna mix another color.
Yeah.
Okay?
After that, we'll do green.
We'll do the green. See you later.
While I'm waiting for the popsicles, I'm gonna read the Little Mermaid book. The witch could see her magic to give the Little Mermaid legs. The Little Mermaid swam down to the dark cave. There was a scary witch. The Little Mermaid asked if she could have legs.
So lastly, we're gonna add 1 more color. Okay? What color should we add? Green?
Yes.
Okay. Can add 1 more color. Alright, okay.
Pour in the juice, fill it up high. Pop in the sticks, let's give it a try. Freeze them up, wait for a while. Soon we'll have popsicles that make us smile. Now it's time to take a bite. Rainbow popsicles, pure delight. Taste the colors one by one. Making rainbow popsicles is so much fun. Red strawberries, juicy and fine. Orange is oh so divine. Yellow bananas, so creamy and bright. Green kiwi.
We made a rainbow ice cream. So we're gonna put this back in the freezer. We're gonna leave it about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. And then we're gonna see how it's gonna look like. You ready? Yes?
While I'm waiting for the popsicles, I'm watering the tree. Honey, your turn.
But don't you dare put it on me.
The last important part, taste test.
Our rainbow popsicle is
okay.
ready. Look at it. So we have different colors. We have the blue and the green.
Yellow,
Yeah.
orange.
So looks like we made it. Yes.
Only.
Try now. All right. You ready?
Yes, I hope it works.
It did!
Oh, we did it.
Only me.
You wanna try it? How is it?
Good.
I'm gonna try
Good.
one.
Okay. Oh, it did it! Wow! What a nice colors! Nice colors! What a beautiful colors!
Let's make a rainbow popsicle. Colors bright, oh so sweet. Grab your fruits, it's time to mix. Rainbow Popsicles is